What happened, Radha? Why are you sad today?
Riya, the vast forest lands are being cleared due to overpopulation, industrialization, and urbanization. Agricultural lands are being used for constructing residential buildings, roads, multiplexes, and other commercial buildings. This threatens to the survival of many organisms. Now, it is time we actively work towards the conservation and protection of these organisms.
Yes, Radha. But the good thing is that the government agencies also make efforts towards conservation of forests and their inhabitants. The government has laid down some rules and policies and formulated various ways to conserve this biodiversity. Some of these ways are declaring some areas and protecting areas, afforestation, ban on hunting or poaching, ban on deforestation, enforcement of laws, recycling of paper, protection of migratory birds.
But what is the difference between afforestation and deforestation?
Afforestation is growing many trees, while deforestation is the cutting down of trees in large number. Let's learn about the protected areas, which is the national parks. A national park is a reserved area of land maintained by the government for the welfare and protection of all wildlife living in that area.
Hey, do you know that the Satpura National Park in Madhya Pradesh was the first reserve forest in India?
Yes, Radha, and about 21 tiger projects are engaged in the protection of the Indian tiger. Satpura is very rich in exotic plants such as sal, teak, and of animals such as tigers, elephants, lions, stag, and buffaloes. Wildlife sanctuaries.
What is a wildlife sanctuary?
A wildlife sanctuary is an area used for the conservation of animals only, and it provides suitable living conditions and protection to wild animals. Hunting, poaching, or capturing of animals is strictly prohibited here. Activities such as collecting forest products like honey, fruits, or timber are allowed, but they are to be carried out in such a way that do not cause any harm to the animals. There are a total of 448 wildlife sanctuaries in our country.
What is hunting or poaching?
Hunting of animals for sport, entertainment, or any other reason is banned. And poaching is illegal hunting of animals. Okay, so killing of animals is hunting and illegal hunting of animals is poaching. Biosphere Reserves. A biosphere reserve is an area in which multiple use of land is permitted. The whole area is divided into two zones. The core zone, in which no human activities are allowed, and the manipulation zone, where human activities such as cultivation, collection of fruits, and timber are allowed. A biosphere reserve helps to maintain biodiversity and tribal culture. There are a total of 14 biosphere reserves in India. The Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh consists of a national park called Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries known as the Bori and the Pachmarhi. Nanda Devi, Manas, Sundarbans, Nilgiri, and Gulf of Mannar are a few examples of the biosphere reserves in India. Yes, Mom, I am coming. Actually, I am going to pick up a free sapling from the forest department which are given to us in bulk during the monsoons. So I have to leave now, Radha. I am sorry.